In this lesson, we will discuss how examining the perspective of a source can assist in determining its credibility. In particular, the essential guiding questions for this lesson are: why is it important to assess the source's perspective when evaluating source credibility? And what questions should be considered when analyzing the perspective of a source? Although perspective is similar to purpose, there are a few main differences to consider. Let's take a look at what it means to evaluate perspective of a source. Perspective involves looking more deeply at the author and the purpose of the information. When reflecting on the purpose, considering the author's perspective should help. Specifically, focusing on the author's point of view will tell us about their perspective while writing the information. Let's narrow in on the author's point of view. Point of view can be defined by looking more closely at the tone or voice of the writing. Ask, what is the tone or voice of the author in this writing? Is it free of emotion? Are there claims that seem opinionated or unsupported? Next, does the writing seem biased or unbiased? Does there seem to be an agenda? Are there any hints of political, religious, personal, or cultural undertones that sway the writing? From what lens was this information written? The point of view may not always be obvious, which is why it's important to take a minute and focus on this task on its own. As a general tip, sources that are unbiased with an informational tone should rank higher in credibility. However, as always, assignment instructions should be referenced to ensure the source meets the desired objective.
Yes!